If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your iCloud account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted iCloud storage plans. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and find the Subscriptions option. Tap on it to view all your active subscriptions, including iCloud storage plans. Step 4. Choose iCloud Storage. In the list of subscriptions, locate and select your iCloud storage plan. This will open up the details of your current plan and payment information. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure the process is complete. Once you've completed these steps, your recurring charges for iCloud storage will be stopped. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Apple support.